AJ Maths.
AJ Maths. OK, it's worth £1,500, remember? This is to get to the safe point. Here's the question. OK. Which quadrilateral has one pair of parallel sides of different lengths? Which quadrilateral has one pair of parallel sides of different lengths? Oh, well, hello. Wow, they're both locked in at the same time.
A double lock-in.
So you think you know this one then, James?
I think so, yeah.
Is this a subject that you know well, maths?
So I did maths and further maths at A-level. There weren't many quadrilaterals involved by that point.
But you should have learned something about this, though.
Yes.
Yeah. So what are you looking in with?
I want to say a trapezium, otherwise known as a trapezoid.
So you're locking in on trapezium. It's worth £1,500. You're right, James.
Is this for a 6-year-old?
That's what I'm thinking.
Let's have a look at the question. Let's hope it's easy. If you add the sides of a triangle, a rectangle and a square, how many sides do you have altogether?
Okay.
Come on.
Well, a triangle has 3 sides,
Right.
so that's 3. And a rectangle has 4 sides, so 4 plus 3 is 7. And a square also has 4 sides, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So, that's what I'm thinking is the answer. Yep.
Does it seem too easy to be true?
Just making sure I've read it right. Yeah, I'm going to go for 11.
You're locking that in?
Yeah.
You said the answer is 11.
Mm-hmm.
£250.
Mm-hmm.
Your level 1 Scottish Standard in Maths has served you right. Well done.
Sort of thing that I could...
OK, here it is. Amy built 18 beehives in the garden. Blake built half as many, but 2 fell apart. How many beehives do Amy and Blake have altogether? Amy built 18 beehives in the garden. Blake built half as many, but 2 fell apart. How many beehives do Amy and Blake have altogether? It's great watching you guys all go...
OK.
Well, Ria has locked in 18 beehives, but Blake built half as many, but 2 of those fell apart. So how many beehives are actually any good between the 2 of them?
This is when you can really show yourself up, couldn't it? I am going to say 25.
Go on, then. OK, so Amy built 18 beehives. Blake built half as many, but unfortunately, 2 beehives decided to break. Did I say locked in that there were 25 beehives?
Yes.
And you feel very confident about it?
I do.
That is because you are correct, of course.
My mum used to be a maths teacher, so if I get this wrong, she'll kill me.
Let's have a look at the question. How is 3 2/5 written as an improper fraction?
An improper.
Proper textbook maths, this.
Improper fraction. It's 3.
It's written by a primary school teacher, this question.
2/5 written as an improper fraction.
That's what 10-year-olds are learning about at the moment.
Well, if I think the other way around, I know how to work it from, if it's an improper fraction, to get to this, so I need to do it backwards.
See what you got in maths. Oh, you got a grade C in maths.
I did, yes. Right then, so 3 would be, obviously, is 15/5. So 15/5, and then another 2/5 is 17/5. So if I had 17/5 and I was doing it the other way around, I would say, would that be 17/5, 5s, would go 3, and then 2/5 left over. So I'm sure that has got to be 17/5. I'm going to lock that in.
It's nerve-wracking up here, isn't it?
It is.
Especially when you know your mummy math teacher's watching.
Yeah.
I know, that's what's made this one worse.
If she's watching, she'll be proud of you. You're right.
Well done.